Steve, I need to talk to you about something. Yes. You know the big plan that we were going to do? Yes. I decided where to do it. Where? China. But that's so far away. It's easy though. We can travel by ship fast. Alice. My name's not Alice, it's Steve. No, Alice. Daddy? Yes, sweetheart. I had a bad dream. What was it about? It was about the what? The creatures. Oh, please. Let's go. 10 years later. Hey, coming. Jeez, where is the cab? Jeez, I'm gonna be late. Yeah, cab. I can't believe I'm assigned to do this. Well, let's go. Come on, Alice. Coming. Stay tuned for part 2.